Hello everyone, my name is Angie Barreto Tirado, and today I will introduce you to the sounds of consonants and vowels of the IPA alphabet. We will start with the sounds of vowels. E as in a read, I as in a sit, U as in a book, U as in a two, E as in a men, as in America, O as in a word, O as in a sword, A as in a cat, A as in a bat, A as in a part, as in a knot. Now we go with the sounds of the consonant. P as in a pig, B as in a bed, T as in a time, D as in a do, Ch as in a church, J as in a judge, K as in a kilo, G as in a go, as in a fight, V as in a very, as in a think, V as in a that, as in a sit, Z as in a zoo, Ch as in a chart, G as in a casual, as in a milk, as in a no, as in a sink, as in a hello, as in a life, R as in a red, G as in a window, yeah, as in a yes. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.